If you've lost important files on a Toshiba hard drive, recovery is essential. There are 4 effective methods to recover lost data, including user-friendly software and built-in system utilities. Part 1. How to recover data from Toshiba hard drive via Coolmuster data recovery. Coolmuster data recovery is an easy-to-use and reliable solution for retrieving lost or deleted files from Toshiba hard drives. This powerful program quickly scans and recovers data with just a few simple clicks. Step 1. Connect your Toshiba drive to your PC and open the data recovery software. Then choose a recovery mode like deleted recovery. Step 2. Select the Toshiba drive from the list of partitions and click Start Scan. Then the program will start scanning your hard drive and list the files on the interface. Step 3. Once scanned, preview the found files. Select the ones you need, and click Recover to Computer to save them to a different drive to avoid overwriting data. Part 2. How to restore data from Toshiba external hard drive via Recuva. Recuva is a free and effective data recovery tool, particularly useful for recently deleted files. It can recover data from a Toshiba external hard disk, but if the drive has a physical head crash, powering it on increases the risk of permanent data loss. Step 1. Install and open Recuva on your computer. Follow the Recuva wizard and specify that you are looking for files in a specific location. Step 2. Select the Toshiba external hard drive as the target location. Next, start the scan-enabled deep scan for better results if needed. Step 3. Review the recoverable files and select the ones you need. Finally, click Recover and choose a safe destination. Part 3. How to retrieve data from Toshiba hard disk via Windows File Recovery. Microsoft offers a free tool called Windows File Recovery WinFor for command line users. While it lacks a GUI, making it more prone to errors like typos or wrong switches, it's essential to use it carefully to avoid unnecessary scans or overwriting. Step 1. Download and launch the Windows File Recovery on your PC. Step 2. Use the following command structure: WinFor source drive, destination folder regular. For example, if your Toshiba drive is E, and you want to save data to D, recovery, type WinFor E, D, recovery regular. Step 3. Follow the prompts to begin the extraction. Then wait for the recovery process to complete. Part 4. How to find data from Toshiba hard drive via CHKDSK command. Sometimes files aren't missing. They are just inaccessible due to file system errors. The CHKDSK command can repair these logical issues. Step 1. Type cmd in the Windows search bar and run as administrator. Step 2. Type replace E with your Toshiba drive letter. Step 3. This command checks the file system metadata. Once finished, your files may reappear in File Explorer if the directory structure was the only thing broken.